All right. Joe here with Rogue Fabrication. You want your tubing bender to last forever, and we want your bender to last forever too. That's why we have built-in wear plates. These come standard on the Model 605 and 625, and they're an option to bolt on to your Model 601. Now, these are laser cut in the USA out of stainless steel, and they've got billet machine stainless steel pins that go in. We're, of course, TIG welding these right here in our shop in Oregon, and then same thing with the laser plates. They're cut in the USA out of stainless, lasered right here in-house, and of course we put the 3M adhesive on them here. So this is a very much made in the USA product. So those reinforce where the pins are going to rotate and rub in the bend wheels for the clamping system for the die, and also in the frame for the pressure die. Now these are made out of stainless steel, so they've got good abrasion resistance. They have precision machined 3/8 pins to transfer the load, and then 1/4 28 screws that mount them to the frame. You'll need a few simple tools to install these if you're installing them yourself. As I said, we will pre-install them here on any order that has these plates in it. On powder-coated M625s, that means we'll be putting the plates on your bender frame and the bend wheels. Powder-coated M605s will get the plates on the frame. You'll install them on the wheels after we prep them. Powder-coated M601s, which don't come with these plates by default, we'll do the prep on both sides, but you'll be the one bolting them on if you ever upgrade to that in the future. And then on weld-together kits, plan on doing the tapping and reaming yourself. They also are, of course, compatible with our stainless steel labels. So these stick on with 3M adhesive. They're super easy to install. I'm going to put those on as well, and I'm going to show you guys how the stickers go back on top of your plates. To install them, you'll need to, if we don't install them for you, you'll need to clean out powder coat from the holes for these pins. We are doing that with a 3/8 reamer, but you can do it with any tool that'll remove powder coat from a frame. You'll also need to clean powder coat from the tapped holes if we didn't install them for you. 1/4 28 tap is a great way to do that. We're doing it with a drill, but we recommend you do it by hand to make sure you don't go too fast and cross thread your tap. We tap them on using a mallet. That is because the fit is very precise, and that allows the pins to line up nice and smooth and coaxial with the holes. That'll allow these stainless steel screws to go in nice and easy, which will go in with a 5/32 Allen key.